It's gonna make you mine.
Oh boy, is this great! I bet it's the box of crystal meth and alligators I ordered. Oh, what is it? What is it? What a wonderful unboxing video. Oh, so much paper. Oh. It's just a book about crystal meth and alligators and professional wrestlers and small town crime. Oh boy, this is great too! Don't you think so? Ow!
Tall alligators, round alligators, square alligators, fat alligators, cross-eyed alligators, funky alligators.